Now I know y'all didn't think I would talk about treatment options without talking about healthy living. When we think about sickle cell, it's not all about the drug therapies. We can use lifestyle as a tool to better manage sickle cell disease. So I'm going to give you the tea on green tea. See what I did there? Okay. No, but in all seriousness, lifestyle is just as important as all the other treatment options we have in our toolbox. Let's start off with nutrition. You know how Socrates said, "Let food be thy medicine"? I am so here for it. Nutrition plays such a big role in overall health. I'm going to share a few pointers with you. Just me and you. You know I got you. First, let's talk about some deficiencies we have. We need supplementation of vitamin D. Folks with sickle cell disease have lower levels of vitamin D, and the lack of vitamin D can cause chronic pain, bone problems like osteoporosis or bone fracture, or poor bone growth and muscle weakness. Many people like me are prescribed vitamin D as a supplement, but you can also pick it up at your local grocery store or wellness shop. Okay, so another micronutrient I'll share is B vitamins. So growing up, and still to this day, my mom always said I needed B vitamins. Turns out she was right. Studies show that B vitamins help create hemoglobin. Full circle, right? It also lowers an amino acid that increases inflammation and cardiovascular disease. And if you need that energy boost, B vitamins are great for that as well. Now, as much as I'd love to go through each and every nutrient, this is only supposed to be a 3-minute video. So here's a list of other deficiencies to keep tabs on. Ready? Zinc, copper, folic acid, pyridoxine, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids. Make sure you're eating whole foods. This means more fruits, more vegetables, more whole grains. This granola good. Now, changing your eating habits can be super hard, but my advice as a first step, continue eating what you're eating, but just integrate those healthy foods into your diet too. You can even add a supplement or a multivitamin into the mix, so check with your doctor though first. All right, I'll throw in a fun fact. Turmeric has been studied to decrease inflammation, and let's just say I feel it when I'm not taking my turmeric supplement. Seriously though, check with your doctor. I also think it's worth mentioning that a lot of us with sickle cell need a high caloric diet. This means we need to eat more because we expend energy more than our counterparts. Just make sure when you're eating more, you're eating more of the good stuff, not the bad stuff. Last thing I'll mention is water. We heard it every day of our childhood. Drink your water. I'm here to tell you, drink your water. Water hydrates all of our cells, tissues, organs. It also promotes blood flow. It reduces crisis. Okay, now I know you know it doesn't stop just at nutrition. Exercise is just as important. I know growing up we were told not to exercise because then it would cause a pain crisis or trigger it. But the idea is not to not exercise, it's just to not overexert yourself. Big difference. Studies have shown that low to moderate exercise is actually beneficial for people living with sickle cell because it helps with blood circulation. We need all the help we can get with that one. Oxygen delivery, better muscle function, and it just makes you feel good. Like, don't you feel fit and everything when you exercise? My 2 shiny pennies, talk to your doctor about exercise and start off slow. So this isn't a marathon. Start at your own pace and work your way up. So a 5-minute walk, then a 10-minute walk, then a 15-minute walk, then a 20-minute, you get the idea. Cool? Remember when Lauryn Hill said, "How are you gonna win when you ain't right within?" That, my friend, is a mental health gem. And if that ain't the truth, I don't know what is. You have to be okay internally in order to best manage sickle cell disease. What makes you happy? Do more of that. Stay in touch with people. Self-care Sundays. Gratitude journals. And if you find that these types of methods aren't working for you, there's no shame in seeing a therapist or a clinical psychologist. In fact, I think everyone with sickle cell disease and all the people around people with sickle cell disease should see a therapist. It's crazy. Sickle cell is crazy, and we have to work through these things. Woo. There you have it. Now I know this is a lot, but start off with one change and then keep adding. You cannot wake up tomorrow and implement all these changes. These things take time and it takes a change in mindset. Good luck, and seriously, go talk to your doctor. Was that 3 minutes?